We all know the holidays as the season that is merry and bright, but for some struggling with financial stress, mental health issues and loss this season may look a little different. Our Natalia Osuna spoke with local doctors and mental health experts who share how to navigate these difficult times. Natalia?
Hey, Bill. Well, we don't often talk about it, but for many, the holiday blues are real and it can be a stressful time. Plus, each person's situation is different. I spoke with local shoppers who share how they're navigating the holidays and also mental health experts who give helpful resources for anyone who's struggling. With 2 kids in high school, Jason and his wife are making an effort to make this holiday season special.
We don't have too much time left with them being with us, so we're trying to make it special.
But for some folks navigating financial stress, loss, and mental health issues, the holidays can be a difficult time.
The economy, I feel like, is getting a little bit better, even though we're going through tough times all across the country. I give praise out to those people who are going through those times.
During these times, there's often a lot of pressure to both be present around family, to take time off, to spend money, to, sometimes be merry when you don't exactly feel that way.
Dr. John Lucens at Corpus Christi Medical Center in Bayview says he often sees folks experiencing the holiday blues from Thanksgiving to even past New Year's.
Studies show that about 65% of people feel that financial stress. People stretching out their credit cards, taking on more of those payday loans, or else making decisions that they shouldn't be making, when instead perhaps just a call and some time with loved ones is the present that people need.
And how can you support a loved one who's experienced a loss?
Maybe we're missing dad, maybe we're missing mom this year, maybe things have changed over the course of the year, and give them some grace, give them time, and it's better to listen than it is to give advice.
Heather Loeb with NAMI Greater Corpus Christi says she's developed some ways to communicate with her family.
I have depression, I have anxiety, and when I start to get anxious, I communicate with them. I'm like, hey, I'm starting to get anxious, I need a break. Or, if I'm feeling depressed, I say, hey, I'm gonna go lay down. And if you are struggling, it's okay to reach out.
Meanwhile, Jason and his family are encouraging the community this holiday season.
It's what you make of it. If you look for negativity, there is negativity. If you look for positive, there's positive. So we try to look for the best.
And well, as cheesy as it sounds, I mean, as Dr. Lucens said, it really is important to know that you're not alone, Bill.
Yeah, exactly. And, as you were talking with some of the shoppers out there, what were they saying about what's really stressing them out?
Right. Well, definitely, financial stress is a big one. As the doctor mentioned, we have this pressure oftentimes around the holidays to feel like we have to buy gifts for all our loved ones, and the list just keeps growing, expenses. So that's one of the big ones there.
If someone is having a difficult time, who should they reach out to? And of course, there are phone numbers that they can take advantage of.
Right. Well, one of those is, 988, which is the mental health hotline that you all can call, if you are struggling or if a loved one is struggling. And, as the doctor mentioned as well, just making sure that they're supported and that they feel like they can reach out.
Yeah, Natalia, some very good information there. Thank you so much for sharing that.